You. Yeah, you. Do you like vintage fashion, but the prices are taking over your wardrobe? Well, do I have a solution for you? eBay. And you, over there. Have you always been interested in vintage fashion, but are too afraid of the cost of entry to give it a go? Do you want to test it out without breaking the bank? eBay. With the power of eBay, even you can... Okay, yeah, I'll stop this. We'll get started with the video. Hello again! So this week we're going to be doing something a little bit different in that I will not be making anything this week. Gasp! But instead I'm going to do a little helpful guide on how to use eBay to find vintage items for super cheap. I know Etsy is the popular go-to, but I really gravitate to eBay these days because you can get some insanely sweet deals, and I'm here to show you how. So in this video, I'm gonna go over how I search, the terms and variations that I use, some extra tips and tricks, and I'm gonna do a little lookbook and show you some of the amazing vintage pieces I've gotten from eBay, and I'll show you the prices as well, just to give you an idea of what the spectrum is and what you can truly find. And we are going to be doing our absolute best to not buy anything ourselves. We are here on the eBay homepage, and let's get started. Let's search for something. So say I am looking for a Edwardian, Victorian-inspired white ruffle top. So we're going to search Edwardian blouse to begin with. And immediately, when searching pretty much anything, unless the category is very small, we're going to instantly change the condition to used. That just cuts out all the Chinese wish style crud that seems to have taken over eBay these days. I don't know how it's turned into a Wish 2.0, but it kind of has. I also, because I like a deal, I sort by lowest price and postage first. And, you know, we're getting some stuff that's not so great, but we're getting some stuff that is quite nice as well. This antique lace blouse cream small. This one is also looking pretty good. Wow, that is looking really nice, actually. So say you did this search of Edwardian blouse and you didn't quite get what you were looking for. There's plenty of other similar search terms that you can use. When I'm hunting for something, I use almost every variation you can think of because the seller doesn't always know what they have, proper eras. So I search Edwardian blouse, Victorian blouse, white ruffle top, ruffle blouse, vintage cream top, etc. And later in the video, I'll give you a bunch of keywords that you can add blouse, trousers, dress, in addition to help you search and find the items that you're interested in. Let's search for something else. Do 1950s dress. Once again, immediately changing the condition to used. And we are also going to specify vintage clothing and accessories. So we're still probably going to get some reproduction, but it'll narrow it down to what we're looking for a little bit better. I'm just going to open up a few of these in different tabs. All right, so I've pulled up some dresses from the search just to give you an example of how to take advantage of all the buying options. Now, £19 is a pretty incredible deal for a set like this. For this kind of piece, you have a buy it now option. There are two further options when looking to purchase a non-biddable dress, and that is the watch list and make an offer. So I recommend adding absolutely everything you're remotely interested in to the watch list because sellers get notified when you add something. They want to make a sale. They want that coin, don't we all? And so when they see that people are watching it, they will send a discount offer. I get too many notifications on my phone that seller has offered a 30% discount, hoping that you will buy it now. So anything you are interested, add it to that watch list. My other ace in the hole is make an offer. You can make an offer even if you think it's a little bit low, and if you put can pay immediately, of course, providing that you're telling the truth that you can and will pay immediately upon their acceptance of that offer, so many times they will accept the offer. And if not, you can offer a few more times, working your way up to the price you're most comfortable paying. Now we'll go over a dress you would have to bid on. So I saw this dress that, oh boy, I think I absolutely need and will be bidding on. Editing Celinda will let you know if I get it. do have to have it, but it does not have a buy it now option. All right, so when making a bid, don't bid early. I'd rather do a last second bidding war and be really stressed for 30 seconds than have the price go up and up in the days before. You can enter maximum amount you're willing to pay as a bid, and eBay will sort of do the bidding for you. So say I'm willing to pay £20 for this dress total. You can enter £20 and eBay will outbid the other person up until £20. I think that covers all the tools you can use to your advantage to buy cheap vintage on eBay. And now I will throw out some of the search terms that I use. I'm going to give you sort of the base term, and you can add trouser, dress, blouse to the ends of all these terms. 30s, 40s, 50s, Edwardian, Victorian, folk, wool, pinup, steampunk, fantasy, pinafore, gingham, prairie. You can also search for common vintage reproduction brands, because a lot of times sellers will fill in the listing with those types of brands just to help them get more hits. Modcloth, Collective, Miss Patina. And now we will get into the lookbook of some of my best eBay finds. So let's get to it. The sweet pinafore dress I'm wearing today I got off of eBay as well. This one I got in a bidding war. I ended up paying £17 for this, which for me was worth every penny, as I absolutely love this piece. I wear it all the time, and it's so easy to layer with other items and change up the look. This sweet shirt dress, ooh, that's hard to say, is a 1980s does 1940s style dress. It's nice and breathable, swooshy, has deep pockets, and I got this for £6.50. This piece, oh my goodness, is a true vintage 1940s top. It has this really sweet multi-tonal stripe and dot detail. It also has a little bug on its shoulder, which the previous owner used to cover a hole that was there. I like meaningful repairs like this, and this true vintage piece was £25. How many gingham shirts does one gal need? I don't know, but I am interested in finding out. I have not reached the limit yet. This green and white gingham top was a little bit more expensive at £15. The pink one, which is a recent purchase, I got for £10. And this long sleeve gingham top with folk art detail is my ultimate favorite shirt of all time. I mean it when I say that. I love this so much, and I love it even more that I got this for £4.50. In this outfit, I'm wearing a vintage Laura Ashley jacket. You can see it has nice embroidery details. I got this for £6, and these amazing like silk track trousers. They are so nice and soft to wear. I got these for £1.99, and they make me feel like I can pretend I'm an Instagram baddie, though I'm not convincing anyone. Wow, what do you think? Some pretty good deals, eh? I almost hesitated putting out this video because am I inviting a bunch of people into my eBay sphere secret? There is room for everybody, and I couldn't keep this silent. I freaking love using eBay. I hope you found this helpful, and I would love to see if you use any of these tips to find some amazing deals. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like it. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I upload new videos every Friday. I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!